Small tutorial how to remove rear seats for Mercedes W124 Coupe. Let's start by removing this bottom cushions and then back cushions and then this middle section. It's very simple to do, you can do it on your own. To remove this bottom cushion, you would press on this red button here. This would release the seat, then you pull it up and then just pull it to yourself, and then this cushion will be removed. Let's do the same for other side. In order to remove the back seats, there is a hidden bolt. If you try to see it here, you need to use 8 millimeters to undo the bolts, and then when undoing the bolt, the seat would just pop up. Let's undo the bolt and show you. After bolt is removed, now we can remove this back seat. You place your hands on the bottom of the seat and then you push it upwards, and this will release the seat. Seat is held by these two slots here. They just go inside on the seats and they are keeping it there, and this is the place where the bolt was. So that's very simple. Same goes for this other side. In order to remove this middle section, we want to remove these two bolts from this side. They are 10 millimeters, and two bolts from this side, they are 10 millimeters as well. These bolts we removed, they are actually holding in place this armrest, and now we can just pull it outside, and now we can proceed with this cushion. We could actually remove this one first because nothing is holding this one back, and we can proceed now by removing a few more bolts. After removing this bolt, we actually have one more up here. We want to remove and this was actually holding this in place. Now this one is also removed, and now this whole plastic comes off. Now there's only this section we want to remove. In order to undo the seat belts, you need 17 millimeters to see it fits correctly, and then use socket wrench. You would need to apply a bit more force to undo this, because yeah, they are keeping you safe. And that's it. It's exactly the same for other side. In order to remove this final piece, we need to remove this carpet if you have it in your car, and then you just take something to try to wiggle it out, and then when you pull it, you would see here one screwdriver, and then we just try to undo it. Then it's out, and now the complete piece is out. There are two clips, and there are some clips that goes into these places, then this bolt is holding it down. That would be it. Thank you for watching. Have fun.